Did you know that the KFC manufacturing process is a well-guarded secret, akin to a magic potion in a fairy tale? This intriguing process, much like an elusive enigma, has been the talk of the town for decades. At the heart of this culinary mystery lies a blend of 11 secret herbs and spices and a unique double breading process. These pivotal components are what make the KFC chicken distinctively flavorful and incredibly crunchy. Come, embark on a journey to unravel the steps in creating the world-renowned KFC chicken. Every piece of KFC chicken begins with a selection of high-quality farm-raised chickens. These aren't just any ordinary chickens, they're carefully chosen for their size and quality, ensuring that every bite you take is succulent and delicious. But what's chicken without a little bit of flavor? This is where KFC's secret recipe comes into play. A tantalizing mix of 11 herbs and spices, so secret that even the most seasoned food detectives have been left scratching their heads. This magical concoction is used to marinate the chicken, allowing the flavors to seep deep into the meat, setting the stage for a taste sensation that's second to none. After marination, the chicken is then double-breaded. This process is what gives the chicken its trademark crispy exterior, a crunch that has been satisfying customers for decades. Once breaded, the chicken pieces are ready for the fryer, but not just any fryer. No, these pieces are destined for the pressure fryer. The pressure fryer, a pivotal tool in the KFC kitchen, locks in the chicken's natural juices while ensuring a crispy exterior. But what is pressure frying exactly? It's a cooking method that combines high pressure and heat, a bit like a pressure cooker, but with oil instead of water. The high pressure accelerates the heat transfer from the oil to the chicken, cooking it faster and more evenly. This method is the secret behind the unique texture of KFC chicken. The heat and pressure work together to seal the exterior of the chicken quickly, trapping in the moisture and creating that iconic, crispy crust we all know and love. The chicken is cooked at a carefully controlled temperature for a specific amount of time to achieve the perfect balance between a golden, crispy exterior and a juicy, flavorful interior. After a precise cooking time, the chicken is ready, golden and crispy on the outside, juicy and flavorful on the inside. But the journey of the KFC chicken doesn't end at the fryer. After it's fried to a golden brown, the chicken is cooled slightly, but not too much. Because serving the chicken hot is vital to achieve that memorable, mouth-watering taste. Then comes the packaging process. Each piece is carefully placed into the iconic KFC bucket, ensuring it stays warm and fresh. And voila! That's how the world's most popular fried chicken is made, ready to be savored by millions around the globe.